Good morning and welcome to Lansing's Capital Region International Airport. I'm John Shaski, Chairman of the Board of Directors of the Capital Region Airport Authority, and I am thrilled to welcome you to this exciting event. The airport is a major economic development driver in our community, and this new expansion of the cargo ramp will have a huge impact, not just on the region, but the entire state of Michigan. Once this $13 million project is completed, it will increase the size of our cargo ramp and allow us to accommodate potential future growth and development of cargo operations. We are grateful for the tremendous support we have received from our congressional delegation in the state of Michigan, with over $8 million in federal funds and $2 million in state funds. On behalf of the entire board, I would like to express our appreciation to our President and CEO, Nicole Noel Williams, and the entire team of truly dedicated professionals at the airport for all of their hard work in making this a reality. I would also like to thank you for your support as well. It is an important day at the Capital Region International Airport. Thank you.